In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix your iPhone camera not working. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But let's go ahead and get started. If it's not working in certain apps, like a specific app, for example, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, the first thing that you should do is back out of this and open up your settings. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down a little bit till you do see the camera section on here. Open it up. Once you are in your settings, go ahead and search for whatever app it's not working on. For example, we'll say Snapchat, right? Open up the Snapchat app settings and look at your Snapchat permissions and just make sure camera is ticked on for this. You could also check your screen time settings and make sure content and privacy restrictions are turned off as well, because that could cause some of your issues. But overall, the best way to fix the camera app not working in general is just to force restart. You can do this by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button, and then quickly pressing and releasing the side button. Just make sure you don't release it until the Apple logo does appear. When you do this, it'll force your phone to do a restart, and this is going to fix your camera freezing and black screen issues, but it's not going to like restart any of your settings or anything. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.